And now, welcome to Duyaza Brothers, another episode of Betrayal Mtanam, another day, another banger, another hot one. Kamala mafisa ngovusi mavusana, aka Mavuthela. Abantu abanye bangibiza ngo Dr. V. But first, njengoba nazika, as always, angihambi ngedwa ngiphethe Dr. M.
Hey, santumela lapho sinibingelele. Sinamukele kwi Duyaza Brothers. Igama lami nabafowethu ngoMusa Manqele. Lapha emakhaya nina nazi ubani? uDr M. Useshilo bafathi igama leshow iBetrayal. Ungonile.
Wangona mntana, uyalazi udaba. Namhlanje siphethe osisi bayakhala labafu kuthiwa hey. Abakhali ukhalo yedwa. Bayakhala.
Bakhala bobabili.
Bayakhala.
Lo munye akakazi.
Lo munye akazi ukuthi uzokhala. Inkingi le. No. Akunankinga sibizo sisi siza ukuthi yini le ayenza wabetray lo munye ugirl wambetray ngane and ufisa ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngoba izoxolisa and kokuyena lo munye ukuthi uzomxolela yini or ngeke amxolele.
Okay. Hayi phansi khona.
Asi.
Ayikhala.
Danko. Njoba nazi ke bafethu ukuthi amahlelo ethu la ekhaya esinawo sinemakhwapheni sine betrayal so njoba sila njengamanje siphezulu ko betrayal wangona so sihamba nosisi abawuthula omunye nangu lapha emontweni omunye nangu la lo osibhalele lo uthi ufisa ukukhuluma something sizombiza njengamanje avele asho ukuthi yini la afuna ukuyibhodla kumngani wakhe and nanokuthi after sebhodlile ufisa ukuthi umngani wakhe enzeni amxolele or kokuyena umngani wakhe uthi wenza kanjani yena nje ufuna ukubhodla kuphela.
Hayi no asinilande
siza ukuthi wenza kanjani. Cela usondele seswami.
Sondela tata.
Sondela tate. Woza sokulungisa.
Ungasazi.
Siyayenza isaluni thina siDuyaza Brothers salon, Duyaza Brothers construction.
Umhlabo wethu.
Duyaza Brothers what.
Sanibonani.
Sabona njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila waze wabubble. Ikhona nento engisho.
Ukuthi ngathi ngiyabonga noma.
Right.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Sikhona igama ubani?
Asakhe.
Asakhe
Maqhubu.
Maqhubu konje imhlobo bani?
Msuthu.
Oh, umsuthu.
Yeah.
Oh wabuwa.
Tabuwa.
Kodwa nje ngiyaqisha athi mina umZulu ke nje. Kube no umZulu umXhosa. Kuba usho isibongo. Bengizoassume nje ukuthi umZulu or mhlawumbe ubafu bezoassume ukuthi umXhosa.
Okay, umama umXhosa but ubaba umsuthu. And bashadile ya.
Okay no ayiyazwakala siyathokoza. Igama lami ngoVusi. Ngihamba noMusa basibiza ngodokotela. No unokwabuka amashow wethu mhlawumbe noma uyaqala nje ukuba nathi.
Ngiyaqala ukuba nani?
Akwazi uwabuka amashow wethu?
No but bengisengizwile ngathi that's why bengibhalele. Yeah.
Okay sekusho subscribe ne?
Yeah, akusho ukuthi subscribe.
Hayi balekile kakhulu phela ngoba sizokusiza mahala. Wena kwakho nje ukuthi uthi leli yaphathini. Uphinde utshela nasekhaya lapha umama nobaba batshela ukuthi be subscribe nabo wonke umuntu nogogo nomkhulu nabangani bakho naye lozomtshela ukuthi hey before niqabane umtshela subscribe.
Ngizokwenza njalo. Ngizokwenza njalo ya.
Okay no siyathokoza mfethu. Kwenzakalani umngani wakho ubani yini ofuna ukusitshela yona yini ofuna ukumtshela yona ufisa kwenzakalani egcineni?
Okay, umngani wami uTumi. So we've been friends for a long time and there's kunento eyenzeka so I felt like angazi whether ngifeel sorry but cause manje uluze into eziningi kulo phone leyo you know.
Yini wamtshotshela ifoni nini?
Okay.
La kuphela sothi into eyenzeka kulahleke izinto eziningi lo phone leyo.
Into enzekile uTumi owathandana neex yami of which akhange ngiphathe kahle because I feel like maybe kunento vele beyenzeka emva kwami. Maybe bebe sneak around yabo.
Ukuthi bele hadi ufuna mhlawumbe lithuba le.
Yeah, so this other time siphumile siye out ngafubona ifoni yakhe ihleli lapha ecouchini ngathatha ifoni ngayifihla. Thema ke funana nefoni yakhe ngambhekisa yona ingathi mina.
Mana ke ifoni yakho ayifihla nikuphi?
Sasiphumile sasiye kwiChilas you know endaweni eChilas kunama couch la sichila khona kuyaphuzwa kumandi.
And ifoni yakhe yaduka khona la.
Okay bengihlela icangwa kwakhe ifoni bila esofeni you know because waphakama waye toilet so ebengekho sure whether ushiye khona noma so ngithe mangiyibona cause vele ngisakwatile ngayithatha ngayicima ngayifihla.
So vele uyithathisa ukuthi ngoba uthandana neex yakho?
Yes.
So
ngangifuna umlayo
awufuna ukumlaya
Mm.
okay nginembuzo eminingi eqhamukayo lapha khona imbuzo onayo ekhanda eqhamukayo
Hayi not yet.
not yes mana mayithandana ne-ex yakho lento ayikuphathanga kahle
Ngiyangiphatha kahle.
wamtshela yini yena before nje umtshotshela ifoni nana uthi awuchomi kanjani manje ususandana nalo mfana lo because lo mfana bekathandana nami
Nga-find out sebehamba together and bayikhuluma ngathi no angeke mind, you know, because guy was there. I just had to play along ukuthi I'm okay with it. Meanwhile I was not. And naye ngazama ukumuza in a way, maybe like in a calm way ukuthi hawu Chomi, are you sure about lo guy? Because I mean,
uchomi uyazi ukuthi bekugayi wakho lo
yeah, he knows. Uchomi find out I think a month before sihlukana because vele things were complicated.
ukuthi umjida wakho lo
Yeah.
so umngani wakho ningabangani wena nangu i-boyfriend yakho so uyazi ukuthi nayi ikhaphuli le iyathandana umjida kamngani wami lo
Yeah.
ngaleso sikhathi bona abakathandani
Abakathandana. I don't know. That's why ngisho ngithi I feel like they were sneaking.
ukwazi kwakho nje ngaleso ukuthi wena umngani wami ha nangoku umuntu wami
Yeah.
okay umuntu wakho wayazi nje ukuthi umngani wakho lo
Wayazi because sake saya sonke endaweni whereby we were chilling all together ngaba introduce because we were not alone ngithi besinabanye. So singashaya intro ukuthi no guys umuntu wami ngabangani bami laba yeah.
and nakhona ucabanga nje ukuthi wenza into right abangani bakho yabona
Yeah.
mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga uthi awu yasimbonile Chomi ethi not knowing ukuthi nguye uChomi ozothi ethi
Eish, Chomi. So into engifilisa ubhlungu each and every time angihleli naye like unokusho athi ish Chomi yazi le phone le ya ibinento ezi-important engakhona ukuzireplace and lanto leya iyangidla because I already sold the phone.
okay so ifoni wayithatha wena wayidayisa into esuyicabangile lo into oyicabanga same time
Yathi mangiyibona ngathi i-chance nayi ngathatha ifoni.
awubonanga mhlawumbe ukuthi kube ngcono ukuthi umtshele ukuthi Chomi ngicela siyeke friendship yethu ngenxa ukuthi wena wenze 1 2 3 4 5 kunokuthi lapho uzolokhu umthathela amafoni nani ucabanga ukuthi
No, angeke i-friendship yami naye lokhu nje ngenxa yomfana. I mean, I just told myself ukuthi okay, let me just do this. I feel lento engingayifila make jola ne-ex yami.
but now you feel ngathi into yenzile inkulu kakhulu nezinto
Yeah, because yeah, and uluze kakhulu because I didn't know ifoni yakhe ibiphethe into ezi-most important. Ezinye ukwazi ukuzithola but ezinye yeah, and I can see ukuthi like behind ngento eyiningi, you know.
and zonke lezi zinto ukutshela wena ukuthi asichomi iningiluzile and wena knowing
and I feel like guilt because I know what I did, you know. So ngithi no mangihlangane nani angazi.
so ucabanga ukuthi ufuna kwenzakaleni after la ucabanga ukuthi lapho uzoxolela kulonto leyo or mhlawumbe
Expectanga ukuthi angixolele right because nam angaqoli with what happened but I think she deserves to know the truth at least.
Interesting.
I think she deserves to know.
wena yini le kuzofudingakalana ukuthi nawe uzoxole because mawuveza ukuthi nawe awakaqoli namanje kuze kube yimanje kodwa still kusasa umngani wakho and uzomtshela njengamanje ukuthi hey yazi Chomi ngatsho nje ifoni yakho kanje ngoba wenza u2 3 but kodwa futhi at the same time awukwaqoli
Inkinga I'm still questioning myself ukuthi lento yabiqala nini. Was it after ngihlukane naye noma before sesajolo, you understand? Maybe if ngathola like angazi ngizoyithola njani information because I don't want to lie, I don't feel like ngizoba trust ne noma bangangitshela because I mean umuntu nawe mangafuna umhetha ngeke umtshela iqiniso, but if only I find a way okanye someone ozothi know they dated after, maybe that's when I will accept because it's not about
dated after senhlukene
yes, because it's not about ujola ne-ex yami mostly, it's about lento eniqale nini. Isibhanqa ubani, like was it the time we were dating or after?
so lo liqiniso lo licama uzothola kanjani
Angazi, that's why ngisho ngithi angaqoli and I don't know ukuthi ukuze ngiqole ngizothini. You know, like I just made peace with it but in my heart I'm still asking myself the same question.
samthanda yini umjida
No,
ukuhlukana kwenu kwakuyikhozi kabani kwakuyikhozi yakho kwakuyikhozi ngamjida
yeah, because kamjida.
and then boom sekungena umngani wakho
Exactly.
yes so njengamanje wena uzomtshela ukuthi wenze 1 2 3 ngefoni and ufisa ukuthi akuxolele or but kukuyena uthi uyaxola wena akaxoli
As my if be him, benginguye in fact. I don't think bengizoxola ne.
Okay.
But manje ngiyabona uburongo bami. And noma ngizamile ukuthi ngimthole uguy to recover the phone, but clearly vele now uyayazi ukuthi obvious ke delete yonke into. Angeke azigcine lesazini.
But manje seku 50-50 nje Chomi. Usumhethile naye ukuhethile. Why ke manje ningabuyi ke seku 15 cancel 0-0.
Ngifila ngathi it's 70-30.
Ubani ko 07 bano 30?
Mina cause yena okay. For yena uluze into eziningi ne.
Okay.
It's
So
a
feel
lot.
ngathi wenze kakhulu wena.
Yeah, ngifila ngathi ngenze kakhulu. Yena ngiyafisa ukuthi angixolele.
Okay.
Ngiyafisa but ngifila ngathi ngenze kakhulu.
Okay, no, anginankinga. Athi simbize umchazele indaba ukuthi 1 2 3 4 and then yeah.
We'll take it from there.
Awumlande bafu. Awutshela uEric wethu amkhiphe emontweni. No, mfethu izinto ezikanje emhlabeni ziyenzeka but into ebalekile ukuxolelana nokubhodla. Sekukuyena yodwa umuntu ukuthi uyaxola yena noma akaxoli as long wena nawe inhliziyo yakho usiyikhululile wamtshela ukuthi yazi 1 2 3 but ngiyafisa ukuthi nawe uthole ngelinye ilanga ispace sokumxolela ukhohlwe osekwenzekile because kuzokuvimba into eningi kuzokuphazamisa.
Yeah, iqiniso.
Yabo because awusathandana naye umjito. Awusenendaba naye. The only person onendaba naye umngane wakho nje manje because nisendawonye.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine nangasondela ukuthi sireke sisizo. Chomi manje umzaqala sivele simeni because izo lesifisa leli hashi. Eskizi, sanibonani, sabona njani?
Phila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Hey besahleba la ngakho sekushiya emotweni.
Okay.
Besihleba ngawe ke plus. Igama lami nguvusi.
Oh, I'm Tumi.
Bani?
Tumi.
Tumi. Okay, no ngiyajabula ukwazi Tumi. Hey ngiyabona ushaya ishandisi. Hey Tumi anifuna
Asikhathanga into.
Okay, no Tumi siyabonga ukuthi nifike lana. Sesichazelile usisi ukuthi izathu ukuthi nibe la inangazi umbusazi nje izathu nibe la ukuthi yini.
No.
Awusazi. I'm sure kungakujabulela ukusazi ne?
Yeah.
Masondela nje.
Let's get down to it.
Showcase kade izibuza lapha emotweni sikazi
Yeah,
kuxoxwa
yeah,
ngani lapha
like,
sengishiye nasemotweni
as
sibe sifike sonke. No ngicabanga ukuthi ubafu uzokutshela akufuna ukutshela ubafu ufuna ukutshela uTobo ufuna ukutshela umngane wakho ufuna ukutshela
I'm all in brave.
nombani. Okay.
Noma imuphi.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ubrave nguye lo
Umnikazi wendawo.
awu awusekho brave manje.
Okay, Tumi my friend ne. Ke batla ho jwetsa hore o etsa
Cela
etseng.
ukuba sikisile ngicela ukuma la.
Okay. So Tumi, ke batla ho jwetsa hore o etsa etseng ne. So wa hopola that day re le ko Chilas when your phone went missing. Or how sure whether we lebetse toilet or what. So the time o no ema o ya toilet phone ya gago ne le sofeng. Ga ke fitla ke tsaya ke tima ke kenya ga beke yaka. And at the time we sheba ntse ko shebisa yona. Then the next day I went to sell your phone because ke kwatetse tabena ya hore o jwala le Tshepo and like he's my ex.
So wena a re thome fatshe. Wena o mpatlisa ntwe ke inyakang. O itshwere.
Yeah, chum.
Hona le sebiti wena. Ha ngwanyo nna le sebiti. Because of monna.
No, Chumi, it's not like because of monna ne. Chumi, it's not like ha ke batlo bena le Tshepo. Potso ke hore ke dua ke potsa hore o jotse le Tshepo ntse ke jola le
fela
ene.
yona as una nna go fela yona, we always together. Couldn't you just ask that?
Mara Chumi, I can understand why.
Who understand that? Ngina le wena every time. Mere bulela makoro ro pretend mozana all this time. You were pretending, you were playing along.
Chumi, like ke ne ke sa batlo utlwisa botlhoko, but at the same time le nna ke
So ku
ipotsa
lose mereko, ku lose everything. Ke botsa wena kanti wena wa tswa le tsa go fela dina le wena.
Chumi,
Why?
Chumi ask like
Why?
Chumi
Ha re
mamela.
tlole ask hisi ka sebereke right now. Ntlhalosetsa gore le baka why? Ke eng monna ha re bana ba kana jo like literally I lose my job, I lose gigs.
So if
For money.
if abafana bebanganga wena why uthandane nomuntu wakhe?
No matter that you could work it out.
Mara-
But not for ukuthi ungathatha
Chomi.
something. That is a self belonging.
No, angisho ukuthi
Ngiphila ngayo lento le. Awuna ro akatsiya ntwe ke phila ngayona jo. For monna.
Chumi ke ne ke sa tsebe hore there is something most important ko founung ya
I
gago.
know everything that I do, man.
I understand. Ke ne ke nana maybe you have a backup or something. What if ne lahlegile like serious it's a work motho o mongwe.
What if ngeke lahleke?
But okay,
Vele ngeke
that's
lahleke.
Mario like it Chumi
Siyeka ingaki ematshwaleni mfethu siyeka
Mara-
ingaki ifoni ingalahleki ngihlezi ngiphethe.
Udom
Namhlanje
understand.
iyalahleka.
Ngihlukana no Tshepo for a month. After a month be bajola. Like when in my shoes,
I prefer something that is most treacherous. Monna. Something that is most important. Monna.
show me in a man, and that's when I saw the opportunity. You understand? No, okay, Mamel.
I want to guide him. We would it. No, I could literally open a theft case.
Chomi,
You know that.
No, it's no, I don't steal. Chomi, you can't put it that way.
You did.
And I can get
right now. No, I don't know. Will you?
I can find the guy I sold it to, Mara. The information there,
Sister,
it's
please
not
stop
there.
playing around. Let's just stop playing around.
Chomi,
Okay. Excuse me.
Chomi, like, get about it wrong.
It's
Understand?
childish. It's not wrong. It's childish. Let's start there.
When it wasn't childish to date my ex.
Bruh, come on now. You couldn't just sell my phone that I live with for a dick.
Chomi, okay, what was the aim? Why him? Why after a month? Why
That is something that we could literally talk about. You couldn't come out or on pizza or there's something so understanding. So all this time you were playing along when everything you did you were fine. So you were actually playing along when.
Okay,
You were literally playing along.
okay,
That is after you happened, you and him happened. Right?
what was the reason for it?
My sister, let me tell you that I could not even explain what happened or but what matters good, it was after you. Showcase. Ask him.
Ngicela ukubuza nje ayathi mhlawumbe ngiyangenelela yini after yena ke nasandana ini njengo Chomi mhlawumbe wamtshela ukuthi Chomi yazi phela mina nomuntu wakho ex yakho siyaphusha
Those people were not good like for the longest time, you know? They were not good, like she would literally say it. Like they were not good in terms of into being a hambi, you know, for a while, you know?
Yeah.
So things happen, man. Literally things happen. We didn't start off like good or stuff like that. We were communicating. She even knows about it. We literally talk with no man. This man is complaining with this and this and this. You understand?
Yeah.
And she also complains always, you know?
So you became his shoulder to cry on.
Apparently.
but mawuwedwa endlini usetoilet ugeza ushaya u69 laphana bunga
But it's not like bengimjolela. Remember, it's not like
It doesn't make it
No.
better.
It doesn't make it right either. We're not a phone because of someone that you actually broke up with.
Chomi, when are you
No,
let
no.
a man in between us? Wow,
My sister, you and him. So I can understand.
That means
No. It wasn't like that.
no.
You happen to be the reason why really sharp. Well, I understand. You happen to be the reason, and unfortunately, don't blame me, my sister. Universe is like that, you know.
I'm the wait. Let me get this straight. So I'm the reason for your
I didn't
happiness.
say you are. Don't twist my words. I didn't say you are.
Jimmy, you know what? I thought I'm feeling regret for taking your phone, but I think it was the right choice.
For that TB. Plus, complain I don't even know what you were doing, you too. Because he wasn't even there. Did you even know that in the first place? No, you didn't.
Interesting.
Wow.
Nice.
wow
Yazi ukuthi ladies ne I've been listening to you talking ukulalela ukhuluma. Yazi mina into engiyibukayo la ne ukuthi nina noyi2 ni betrayene. That's number 1. And I want both of you to take a full accountability yokuthi umbetrayile umngani wakho nawe wambetraya umngani wakho. Into manje ekumele siyenze is to find a solution ukuthi sisolve kanjani lento le. Yena wena my sister engayithenga ifoni but angeke ayithenga information ekade isifonini.
Inside, yeah.
Yes, already you've lost a lot, right? Yena angeke esakwazi ukukuthemba phambi kwendoda yakhe because you are dating in ex yakhe, right? Now we need to sibadala mesela ikingani. We need to find a way to fix this because le friendship ungajampela kwenye friendship uzothola inkinga zakhona. So you fix where you are. Mina the way engibuka ngakhona since you guys nisibhalele ukuthi nina kumele nixolelane. right? Let these things go. Kanjani-ke? My sister, ekhanda lakho dlala nje ifilimu yokuthi ube nesibindi sokuthi eze la abhalele thina ukuthi azokutshela iqiniso ukuthi kwenzakaleni, right? Ngendaba yefoni. She came clean. Lento le akayenzile ngisho iboyfriend yakho thola ukuthi iyacheata kumanje ngeke ikutshele straight ukuthi baby I'm cheating. Iyafihla. But she became a very good friend by ukuthi asibhalele mina nobafo ukuthi azokutshela ukuthi wenza into kanje and ufeel bad. She's a good person. Ufeel bad even after wena uthathe indoda yakhe. Useyakutshela ukuthi ngami ngathatha ifoni but ngayithatha out of ukuthi ufuna ukukulaya ngokuthi wena uthathe indoda yakhe, even though it wasn't going to change things. Ngizwe ngithini, it doesn't change the fact ukuthi wrong lento akayenzile. But now you need to find it in your heart ukuthi umxolele, because remember you broke the trust. Yena ngoba esho ukuthi ushilo lalo sisukuthi akazi noma naqala besathandana noma right after. Into emstressa kakhulu ileyo ukuthi shuthi yena all along ube yislim, yabo. Okay sharp, we are explaining wena ukuthi it happened after, but yena akanayo proof yalonto leyo. Mina into engayisho ngoba nikhulile nibetrayana nabhedelana na broke trust, but itrust kuyenzeka futhi ibuildeke back. From this time around ngokweqiniso nokukhombisana ukuthi niyakhathalelana emotionally, psychologically, even financially, because umuntu operfect emhlabeni ngeke umthole, sikhula ngamaphutha. Ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe uyoxoxela ingane zakho ukuthi yazi I want umntana wakho mayifika ukuthi umngane wakho kwenza 1 2 mhlawumbe usuyokwazi umadvise kanjani ngoba into odlule kuyona, but lento ukuthi nikwebhana it's not gonna help. Ikabili ke lento le, if niyathandana you guys are gonna fix it and forget about the past, because okwenzeke ngemuva angeke kuluhlezi kukhona. Into enzeke in the past yenzeke in the past. Njengoba simile la namhlanje, even if we come and shoot here ngeke sime ngale position esime ngayo namhlanje, which means we'll never be like this again. Ne past injalo, you can't change the past but you can change the future. So now it's up to you guys ukuthi uthando lweni ninalo for each other nenze njani ngalo. Do you fix, is it worth fighting for and fixing it, or you guys need you know what, mina angisakufuni as umngane wami, which is also not wrong, because at the end of the day ukuthi wena izinto ufuna ukwenza kanjani dila kanjani ngazo, it's up to you. Mina I'm just telling you ukuthi dilane kanjani ngalento since you guys nibadala and nibhalele thina and usibhalele ngoba usithemba, right?
Yeah.
And now we are fixing the problem. It's either nayifixa friendship yenu or nithi mina mngani I'm letting it go, because we cannot change the past. Sekukulina ukuthi nithandana kangakanani. Do you love your friend?
I do.
Do you love your friend?
I did.
You don't love her anymore.
Nothing's changed.
Awusamthandi.
No, I do.
Uyamthanda.
Not the same.
Not the same, but uyamthanda. Yilokho okudingayo sometimes. Leyo nhlansi encane nje yothando, because now remember you're not perfect. And no human being la emhlabeni uperfect. Ngihamba uqede. No one is perfect. So if you nayo leyo nhlansi yothando enhlizweni yakho noxolo, do forgive your friend. Una inhliziyo yoxolo yokumxolela.
Yeah, nginayo.
Uyafuna ukuthi nilungise izinto nibe right?
Yeah.
Siswami, I know you are angry, but I want you to answer this question with honesty and from deep inside your heart. Do you love your friend? And would you like ukuthi nilungise le relationship?
Yeah, but it will take some time. It'll be a bumpy road.
I'm not saying fix it now, because everything is a process, especially izinto ezikanje. Step by step. Talk more often about the things ongafuni ukuthi azenze, about the things now ongafisa ukuthi azenze in the future, so that should something like this happen again, ngizobe nazi ukuthi hayi wena kahle uyangidakela. It's not gonna happen now. Izodinga i-effort kuwe, izodinga i-effort kuwe. Akumelanga kube khona ozoba ne-pride phakathi kwenu noyi-2 if you guys want to fix the relationship. Fakani effort noyi-2 50-50 kwenza 100, trust me, you guys are going to be perfectly fine. remember kodwa nikufake la ube la phezulu lokho ukuthi no one is perfect sisemhlabeni la uhamba uqeda umhlaba kusemhlabeni ningizwela ngizwele sisi
ngiyakuzwa
Ningizwile lapha emakhaya?
ukuthembana urari trust ka sabateng phela
I-trust
Ha, shumi tla ba teng.
you build
E tlo ba teng. E tlo ba teng. And they won't be bumpings here. We can do wa bona bona ke tlile mo ka bana ke batla re etse peaceful ka for we can do it the old way re shapane once re ntshane bothaka re be peaceful re fitile once ngono re kopane once wena o bona yang cause mo nna ke tlile mo o tlo kopa tshwarela and o tlo tshwarela to me o tlo ntshwarela
So ngicela ukubuza nje my sister ne kuwena because the reason asibhalele ufuna ukuthi yes uyazi ukuthi into ayenzile wrong uyazi ukuthi lose into eziningi ngento ayenzile but nawe uyenze out of anger ukuthi wenzani wena and uyafuna ukuthi nixolelane but njengoba esho futhi ukuthi ayikukwena mina uqobhana manje ningakwebhana inini but nje esayidini lakho wena mangathiwa lo muntu uthandana naye manje umbona sithandana noTom wakho omunye ezoba uTom leseni i-friendship yeni iyaphela umbona sithandana nomunye kade kumngani wakho kwenzeke nje same situation but manje siyenzeka kuwena ingahlala kanjani kuwena
No, I understand. Mara, like in 20 hours, give little mixed emotions. Ne, it's the part of working. Mutoki bilala lena every time. Jo, mutoki bilala lena almost every now and then. You understand? So get a cut. Let's see what was happening.
but
What was happening?
sonke lesikhathi lesi bala nalesa namhlanje because shuthi sekuze kwafika ekuthenini lento yakhe isizi yafika la siyaphuma that's why esekubizile ukuthi kuseTom kahle kahle yazini mina abe kade ngitshela lento shuthi mhlawumbe angisho ukuthi ngiyamkhulumela mina abe mhlawumbe kade ekutshela kodwa shuthi bengakhona ukutshela because ngani ukuthi nizoxabana evimbi ukuthi uxabana kwenu kungasheshi kufike because uyazi ukuthi egcineni kuzofika bese kutshela njengoba sekutshela njengoba ukwatile namanje yabo kuyafika so ubebalekela lokho but sekuze kwafika egcineni simani ngizobaleka kuze kube nini angimtshela uTom ngenza 1 2 3 ngenxa ka 1 2 3 owenziwa wena yabo
Ngiyakuzwa mfethu.
so manje wena kuwena do you think lento yenzile njoba eyikwati wena wakwati okay asikubeke ecela ukuthi wenzani ukuthi wathatha ifoni yakho yena ngoba wayikwatile uyamblame yena ukukwatela ukuthi wena uthandana neex yakhe
No, angiyangimblame yazi.
awumblame
Mm.
kahle hlala akukho right
Yeah, it's not right. Connect. It's really not okay.
because lento bengiyibuza eqaleni ukuthi mawusuke uwedwa endlini or ebathroom bungamcabangi uTom uthi kazi uTom imphatha kanjani lento kazi mhla wafound out uzomphatha kanjani like bungayicabangi lento le or mhlawumbe nje ubuthi fuck indaba kaTom yimi nomjida manje
Yeah, iyafika like it
iyafika
touch bases, yeah.
and then yabona ukuthi naye khambe kwahamba kwafika la ukuthi khona ithatha ifoni yakho ne naye futhi engenzi ngokuthi mhlawumbe akakufuna or ufisa ukuthi ulahlelwe umsebenzi enini naye ngenxa eshandisa njengoba nawe kade ifika unembeza naye unembeza usufikile kuyena ukuthi lento engayenza kuTom yazi i-wrong ifoni yakhe ilahlekile so the reason la ukuthi nixolelana njengoba usho ukuthi unembeza wafika kuwe nakuyo unembeza usufikile but so wakho unembeza wena wawuziba ke okusho ukuthi
Yeah, I think so.
so indaba yenu izothini because okay angingabuzi mina ngibuza wena Tom ukuthi
tla nqolela ga ta sarati tshwantse nqolele o ya se re tlo kwepana
ke boso tsa rata sarati
yeah tshwantse nqolele it's but yes because no ke mogotsi wa ka ga ntse wantse gore my friend to ride or die what unana ke papadi you just saying it nje o tlo nqolela ha mna tjwa la bana he tshepo wa teng wa mo nyala
because ibuka lento le
ntse ke tla ya lenyalong le la lona mara ya o tla nqolela
yo ke lento idalwe nje umfana neqhaso umfana okay ize ya escalator ke yafika emafonini but isuke ngumfana ngokuthi nawe njengoba ucabangisisanga ukuthi masikhuluma eqiniso awucabangisisanga istep owasithatha awusicabangisisanga kwakumele ke noma usithatha because egcineni impilo vele impilo yakhe akusiyimpilo kaTom kodwa umhlebele ukuthi yazi mfethu mina nomuntu wakho kanje sekukuyena ukuthi umuntu uyaqhubeka nokuzwana nawe or akaqhubeki uthi fofona oyithuno hambani nili yabo why geja lapho ngasho ukuthi mina why geja lapho kwakumele mhlawumbe umhlebele usayiTom yazi ubani uThepho
So frempile. Yeah, I got tired.
so yes now ukwatile ukuthi
Habu ka se khopelisa le wena you're not even asking. for forgiveness. You're literally demanding it.
Mose ke kopile tshwarelo ntjola hore mixed emotions.
Now happen. No, yeah, that's not how you ask tshwarelo, Joe. Now you're literally demanding. O ka re ka o kolota.
Ka bane ke kopile ke.
Did you apologize?
Wa sa batle.
But why would I apologize for it?
For ukujola nomuntu ade selana?
Why would I even apologize about that?
Like even namanje njengoba sila manje.
But still, noma ngaba mngani wami, like badlulile mos.
Okay.
Okay,
Do I necessarily have to go and apologize? Ukuthini?
You didn't see a need
No, I
or you
don't,
don't see a need.
I still don't even.
namanje kule situation esikuyo manje.
You don't see
Manje uzoxolisa ithola ifoni yakho. Wena awuboni ukuthi lapho uxolisa ukuthi Jomi asike sibuza ngikutshela ukuthi ngaqhubeka
Ngaxolisa for that, but you're king jotsile moto. They're literally a past. You
Yeah.
understand? That's like ngathi kusho ukuthi bangafuna ukuletha go of the past. Give me, it looks like it. Ora ke kuphela tsarara tell king. Ora wena bosanya kuqhubeka le the guy. You just didn't know how to do it.
Would you forgive her if indoda yakho leyo Tshepo othana nayo manje ibuyela kuyi? How
belungisa izinto.
belungisa izinto be right? Would you forgive her?
Yeah.
Because you guys are in the past.
Kumoto high.
I do not genuinely think you would do that.
Umuntu mana wes
But at some point, they literally have.
You don't think you might forgive me?
No, I won't.
Mare nna ke kopa tshwarelo it's a problem.
So wena o rara o kopele tshwarelo.
Ke etsa? A ke re ke kopetse tshwarelo a njotsa ka di mixed emotions.
But what I'm saying right now and what you're saying is literally two different things. Ora wena o kopele tshwarelo.
Siswami ngidala ne. And the way you're behaving ngakhona, you are behaving like a 2-year-old. You are literally behaving like a 2-year-old. Clearly, lo sisi uyaxolisa and you can see that. Amehla akho mabili. And ngiyazi ukuthi deep down unembeza wakho uyazi ukuthi lo sisi lo uyaxolisa and now uyazi. So what you are doing now is being childish. You can easily say ukuthi mfo mina I do not want to be in your life anymore. Let's cut it here. And ungasho ukuthi akaxolisi because she is apologizing. When you are trying to prolong this thing and unnecessarily so. It's either you guys are fixing this thing because she's apologizing and we are all witnessing that. If you want to forgive. If you don't want to forgive, it's fine. Cut it. Because now we're going to sizohlala la the whole day. And stop behaving like ingane encane umdala. You are very old.
No, I think before my sister kukuyena ukuthi wenza kanjani ukuthi uyamxolela into ebalekile la ukuthi my sister osibhalelile ubezobhodla ikutshela ukuthi ifoni yakho ilahlekile nje uyena and uyayisola ukuthi uyenzele lento leyo ngoba kulahlekele lo msebenzi nani whatever lelahlekele efonini nanokuthi yamphasa kabi into yokuthi wena wa move on ne-ex yakhe ile nto ade ezoyisho bese ekugcineni isifiso ube ukuthi niqhubeke ne-friendship yenu nibe ku clean slate nibe fresh so sekukwena ukuthi uya accept or awu accept or thina ngeke sixolelanani hayi lwanini kokunina sasingekho niqala ukuzwana sasingekho intutshana namafoni sasingekho umunye ethanda nendoda yomunye phela nje sizama ukufaka umbono lapho nalapho
Ukhulume ngepride. Pride eceleni.
yes
Iqiniso phambili. Pride side. Truth forward.
but kodwa egcineni ke kukwena
Yikho kodwa as much as egcineni kukuye. Pride
lethe bengisho ukuthi ipride igade ingaze ihambe iyokufaka ngale emgodini yabo because naye imbambile ipride wangabuza lutho wakhetha ukuthatha ifoni yakho but kodwa sebuyile wathi no man angimtshele
ipride uyibeke kuphi?
celeni waletha ubungani phambili
Wabeka iqiniso phambili.
so sekukwena ke nawe sisi
It's up to you.
That's fine.
But Tina, we're going to let you guys go. Oyamxolela.
ungamhaga lapha sibone ukuthi uyena uzimeleze kwesibone ukuthi ngaphela phesho uyayimina
Hagane man. How?
uyayimina
Original.
abantu mzana yacabuzana nje umcabuzo lincwa cabuza ubafo ke
Mina manje. Wena sicatshulelani?
antu uzowuthatha udlulisa ulethe kapha nje
Kalenye manje.
Wozani?
no ufuna nihleke bengabe right yini kinga yini kade hawo no bafethu okudlule man siqhubeka nekusasa siyaphila sifocus yes angeke uvuke manje seku right seku grand usuqolile nawe seku sharp but time heals no ayikho into even siwa ushonela ubani angeke ukuthi uzoba right yabo makuthiwa hayi uzophola uzoba right ayikho into
Ayikho lento
epholayo
leyo.
but ngokuhamba isikhathi malokho sihamba you forget not
You
ukuthi
learn
you
to
forget awu forget but kodwa nje isikhathi masihamba uba nakho ukuqhubeka nempilo kodwa uyakhumbula ukuthi kwenzakalani so ilento leyo yabo so kusasa uzoba phambi kokusasa ngeke kufane na is nana endini ugcine ne sharp ne grand nogcina senixoxa ngayo lento uthi hey wangigeyini ne
Eish, ngagile.
Sinitholene emontweni.
asinankinga
Usafe ukuthi bengaya ndawonye
Yeah.
emontweni.
ningashayani
Angiboni mfethu ngishaya.
yeah
I don't think so. Man, we are
hey
singaba brothers.
Hey.
We are Duyaza brothers. We are Duyaza brothers.
yeah ayikho enye futhi ngeke kuyelina le singodokotela ngqo
Odokotela yazi nje.
hayi
mfethu,
odokotela nyana
laphana kwi TV nje mfethu besinike ishow.
mfethu
Abafana bakamanqele. Asinike nayo ishow.
ngiyazi khona udirector obukayo la or uproducer othizeni
Sinike nje ishow.
ngiyazi siyacela mhlonishwa
Sinike nje ishow.
siyacela mhlonishwa
Sinike ishow.
uyasazi kade waqala ukusilandela and neshow ukuthi mhlawumbe futhi ngoba ubukele uyazi ukuthi hayi abafana yazi ngafike ngibaphorishela nala
Yes.
nala we are willing
To
ukuphorishwa
learn, yeah.
ningafika nje usiphorisha ukuthi hayi bafana bami ninze kanje
Yeah.
ninze kanje we
Usidirect.
sibona sitankinga usibona nje siyila director sobabili
Exactly. Into esenza la. Singo director, singo producer.
director sobabili
Yebo. Script siyibhalela thi sizothini.
ukuthi hey
Yabo.
la ke sekhuluma kanjena manje uzothini ke manje
Yabo.
yabo nje especially mina amagama okuyala or advice yes ngiba nawo ngaleso sikhathi singanginawo yabo into ezoyenza ukuhleka nje makosi awazi ukuthi uthini
I think genuinely speaking, I think you do have that side, ne? And it's just that when focus kakhulu kuleli.
kuleli ngapha
And which is good.
Yeah.
It helps to balance the show. When you're a bubbly person by nature, mina nami ngiyilento engiyona nami engazi ukuthi ngiyini. Kodwa nje mase sindawonye it works, and that's why sila today. That's why futhi nakusasa sobe sikhona na next day sobe sikhona, as long as nje saphila umphefumulo usahlangene nenyama, and as long as nani nisakhona emakhaya nisa subscriber nisibuka thina, we gonna come here and deliver the work ngalendlela esi deliver ngayo bese nisinika umsebenzi ke lapha ku TV nisinike bake besitest
asigibele sizohamba
hayi basitest mina mele ngigibele ngibheke
gibela lapha phambili ku drive
iblow lami lidabukile kodwa camera ayikho la.
okay athi istimela leso wagibela
Tshela
ngapha
kanjani
manje nawo nje i-wind screen ngaphambili
Awusuginqa igongqo lo.
iyo
Manje driver ngoba siyaginqa
shuthi uyasinda ke
subscribe hani lapho
ayehli ngapha kimi
nawe kuthiwa ungathi mena trash bese uthi le ndodana yakho le nekhanda elikhulu uthi the king nayo iwumgqomo kaDoti.
hey bana take us home
Asambe mfo.
cameraman uyosala emontweni ha wosaba
Ariyendade.